Hello! In front of me I have Huawei Watch 4 Active, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu, find the sounds and vibration option and select it. Then scroll down and find the option called vibration strength. Tap on it, and here we have different types or different levels of intensity for the vibration. We have strong, weak, and none. Select the one you like, then tap on OK to confirm. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity levels on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.